the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Let's go! You're cooking with Nana, a new chef. Quickie meals and recipes, a true chef. Leave a comment, subscribe, and hit the like. Welcome to a real food channel with real insight. Tell a friend to tell a friend and whoever left. You're cooking with Nana, the Saucy Chef.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making garlic Parmesan Orzo. The ingredients that we need today are 2.5 cups of low sodium chicken broth. I'm using 2.5 cups of water with 2.5 teaspoons of chicken bouillon powder in it. We're also going to need 1.5 cups of dry orzo pasta, 3 large garlic cloves minced, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1/3 cup of heavy cream, 1/4 cup of shredded Parmesan cheese, and 2 tablespoons of fresh parsley chopped. To a heated pan, we're going to add our chicken broth. Now you can add in your orzo pasta. Your ground black pepper. Your salt. And also your minced garlic. Now all you want to do is mix that together until it's well combined over medium-high heat, and you want to bring it to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, you want to lower your heat to medium-low, and you want to stir often until most of the liquid is absorbed. Remember to continuously stir until your pasta is cooked to your preference. Once the broth has cooked down, if it's not to your desired tenderness, you can add a little bit more of the chicken broth in. Okay guys, now you can add your heavy cream, also your Parmesan cheese, and your parsley. And all we want to do is mix it until it's well combined. Once everything is well combined, you can turn off your heat. Okay guys, so here we have it. Your garlic Parmesan Orzo made in one pan. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.